We are the Hennessey School in Lawrence, Massachusetts, and we are lighting a blue for Autism Awareness.
Hi, my name is Shala Marquez, and I'm the principal of the Hennessey School.
Hi, my name is Maria Hernandez, and I'm a special education teacher at the Hennessey School.
Today is World Autism Awareness Day.
Autism now affects 1 in 68 children.
1 in 42 boys.
And what we are trying to do here is to make people aware about the kids that we have in the spectrum at the Hennessey School and all over Lawrence, so that together as a team we can help them succeed at schools and in our community.
It is a time to learn and become more aware of those around us, to accept each other and appreciate what makes each one of us special.
To celebrate Autism Awareness, we ordered t-shirts for our entire school community to present a united front around this very important topic.
Today we're going to watch a video. It's a Sesame Street video. The name of the video is Meeting Julia. Julia is a kid on the spectrum, and we hope that showing this video to the kids, they're going to better understand other kids in the spectrum that are their friends and they are the Hennessey School.
And we'll continue those conversations throughout the course of the month to, again, build inclusion, empathy, and understanding amongst our school community.